Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I'm Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful watercolor crochet cover designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel first and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and stunning designs shown to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. Video is very helpful and useful for you guys. You can get many ideas from my videos, so friends this. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to crochet, visit my channel. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. If you know how to do the crochet work yourself, you can do the work yourself with a beautiful piece of cloth. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, in this video, I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of crochet related designs. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my video and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country. So friends, today's video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. Ameen. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay with me. Take care. We'll remember in prayer, and bye.